So Radcliffe come back up at the yard?
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. And the thing about it, he tell me, say, if him see George up back inside, I'm gonna mix him up in the foundation up there. And it worried me a lot because George now walk gonna away, not travel gonna away with nobody, him alone. Him show me pictures, numerous pictures with George from inside, with nobody there. So him a watching him, people are watching.
And Radcliffe is nowhere to be found. Him off the grid.
Of course, him off the grid. Once him feel like nobody are watching, him a go hide. And if him not master nothing else, he master that.
We need something for dry him out. So the feds can take care of us.
Bubbles, he know the feds are watching because he tell me that. He said me to put out George because a day I come back and my house come steal. So me to put out George.
How would the rat you said to me? But come to think of it, Jane, that might not be a bad idea.
What might not be a bad idea? For put out George?
Not for put out George. For lure Radcliffe at your house. We'll find a spot where I think him might there. But I can't work off our hunch, Jane. Because if the feds go which part, me might think him there. And him not there, the agency got in a problem. That means a Radcliffe are gonna know, say, what after him. So him gonna go in a deeper hiding. And worse, the agency under investigation. So I can't take that chance there.
So how me follow him at my place, Bubbles, and George still live there?
But based on what you say, him knows that the feds aren't to him. All me need to do is place a service vehicle right at the place where me think he might be for 2 days. From him see that, him a go get bummy. And that I go dry him out for come at you.
Bubbles, I'm not comfortable with this. What if him come at the yard and George today? Plus, I'm worried right now as it is. Him out there and George out there.
No worry about it. Me would personally put somebody for shadow George. But we need to draw out Radcliffe. If we're going to get him out of your life any at all, we have to go stick to the plan. What a problem.
Can I tell you this nothing about this? If the feds hold him, it's a 70% chance I'm going with me too. Because I'm sure I'm going to call my name.
How much the feds have for you?
Everything where them have on him, them have for me. Him being a semi partner in crime, I know him going to tell them that.
There's a way out of this synergy. But it's whether or not you are going to take the chance there.
What that? Talk to me now.
Walk with me.